Hello everyone and welcome to today's podcast where we explore how technology-driven business thrive in dynamic markets. I am Melissa and in this episode we dive into the fascinating story of Grab, the Southeast Asian super apps redefining convenience and mobility. From ride-hailing to digital payments, Grab has revolutionized how people live and interact with technology. Let's get started. Grab journeys began in 2012 when Anthony Tan and Tan Hui Ling, the two Harvard Business School graduates, founded a ride-hailing app called My Taxi to improve Malaysia's taxi service. Anthony's ideas came from his personal experience, where he saw the inefficiencies in the taxi industry, inspiring them to use technology to create a safer and more reliable solutions. My Taxi quickly grew in the popularity and was later rebranded as Grab. Today, Grab operates in 8 countries across Southeast Asia in our neighboring countries. Grab isn't just about rides, it is a super app offering everything from food delivery and parcel service to digital payments and even healthcare consultations. Its target markets are Southeast Asia populations, which includes tech-savvy young professionals, commuters, family, and small business looking for convenience and affordable solutions. What makes it so relevant is the way Grab uses cutting-edge technology and scale rapidly by staying agile and customer-focused to respond to challenges and seize opportunities. This approach has positioned it as a leader in Southeast Asia tech ecosystem. Agility has been central to Grab's success. Let's see the key agile principles they apply. First, there is iterative development. Grab doesn't aim for perfection on day one to fully develop features. Instead, it continuously refines its products by frequently updating apps and rolling out new features in stages. For instance, GrabPay started as a simple payment option and now supports offline transactions, microloans, and more. Another example is its ride-hailing platform has evolved with features like GrabShare for carpooling. Next, the cross-functional teams are organized across different departments and expertise. At Grab, product managers, engineers, designers, marketers, and customer service teams work together. Regional teams also adapt service to local needs, making the app culturally relevant across markets. The collaboration is very dependent on the features focused on. And finally, customer-centric thinking is at the core of everything Grab does. They listen to feedbacks from its users. In response to customers complaining about delayed deliveries, Grab introduced specialized delivery hubs in dense areas where drivers could pick up orders faster and reduce waiting time for users. They also introduced safety features like Share My Ride and in-app emergency buttons based on user suggestions. Some specific agile practice done by Grab's other teams conducting short and informal daily stand-up meetings to review the progress, outline priorities for the days, and address any blockers. Grab also conducts sprint planning to prioritize and define tasks for each sprint, starting with backlog grooming and pre-development checks, followed by determining what work will be completed during the sprint. Data is Grab's secret weapon to fuel smarter decisions and faster innovations. Grab collects various data, including customer behavior, trip patterns, delivery times, payment patterns, and service performance to identify trends and areas for improvement. Grab uses real-time analytic dashboards, predictive analytics, and machine learning algorithms to monitor KPIs and predict trends. They even power their dynamic pricing system with this. Have you ever noticed how Grab ride fares vary based on traffic or demands? That is their real-time analytics at work to ensure pricing remains fair while optimizing availability. Grab also use A/B testing. For instance, when they introduce a new app features, they can test different versions to see which one perform better with users. Now let's explore how Grab integrates data into its agile processes, sprint reviews, retrospective, and pivots. During sprint reviews, teams analyze metrics like feature uses and user feedback to assess progress and identify adjustments. In retrospective, they evaluate the effectiveness of their processes using performance data, ensuring continuous improvement. This data also support them when making pivots like introducing a service, the Grab Max, to validate market demands and refine offering quickly. Next, let's talk about how Grab responds to market change. First, Grab adopts emerging technology like AI to optimize delivery routes and implements dynamic pricing. As an example, Grab's AI-driven heat maps that guides drivers to high-demand areas, maximizing their earnings while ensuring customers get rides faster. They also adopt technologies for analyzing personal recommendations and detecting fraud. Customer feedbacks also drive their agility. Listening to users has led to innovation like Grab subscriptions plans for frequent users and localized service tiers to serve specific markets. For example, Grab Unlimited. And when users in Vietnam requested smaller food portions for single service, Grab introduced mini meals as part of Grab food offerings, catering to the local demands. Next is the competition actions. Grab quickly responds when it faces competitions from similar multi-service offering providers like Gojek that are expanding into fintechs. Grab responded by partnering with MasterCard to launch GrabPay card service. Grab also added new services like more financial service and even healthcare solution to differentiate itself. Grab's agility shines in moments of disruptions. An excellent example is Grab's response to the pandemic during the COVID-19. Grab pivoted by focusing on food delivery and digital payments and rapidly scaling operations. Do you know that no journey is without challenges? Grab has faced resistance to change from employees and stakeholders among drivers and mechanics, who are hesitant to adopt new initiatives and technologies. Grab has invested in training programs and workshops, for example, skill-based programs for employees to foster an agile culture. Another problem was the overwhelming amount of data coming from multiple regions and services, which led to data overload for the teams. There is just too much information coming in that it can actually hinder decision making. This is what we call decision paralysis, make them feel uncertainty. On top of that, their system will struggling to store and process all this data efficiently. Grab overcame this by investing in scalable, cloud-based solutions and distributed databases to upgrade their data infrastructure. They also integrate advanced analytical tools to streamline data usage. In conclusion, the transformations of Grab from a simple ride-hailing app to a super app is a testament to the power of technology, agility, and data. Grab has continuously adapted to meet the needs of its users, and thus it has become a cornerstone of Southeast Asia's digital economy. Looking ahead, Grab aims to expand its AI capabilities for hyper-personalized user experience and scale its green initiative like Grab Electric to promote sustainability. Its commitment to empowering undeserved communities through financial service is another exciting area of growth. Thank you for tuning in to today's episodes. I hope Grab's story inspires you to think about how agility and technology can drive success in your now and future ventures.